Kelly Green.
A little bit
Irish.
Yes. You know, a great way to remember when this festival is, it's always halfway to St. Patrick's Day.
Oh.
It's always right around September
perfect.
the 17th, and it's always an awesome event. So
yeah,
they've
had
great
good weather.
Yeah. Last year they had really damp weather, so that really hurt them quite a bit. So they're really grateful for the nice weather, and it has been so summer-like.
I know.
But we're still talking a little bit about hurricane activity, and we're watching out for Jose. We talked about Maria just a little bit ago, but Jose is still cranking there in the Atlantic as well, with wind speeds of 80 miles per hour, moving to the north at 7 miles per hour. And of course, here's just a quick look at Tropical Storm Maria on the heels of Jose. But you can see here the track will continue to turn to the north, and then it will end up taking a turn to the east. It would still be a 1 category, but as it moves closer towards the east coast, it will likely downgrade quite a bit. But nonetheless, it's still going to bring some heavy rain and likely some very windy conditions to that area later this week. In the meantime, we did have a beautiful summer day here across central Indiana. Here's a look from our Cicero cam. Lots of boaters still out there taking advantage of these great weather conditions, and we had some clouds that built in because of all the humidity that we've had in place. So it is going to be another humid day across central Indiana. Temperatures right now at 68 degrees in Anderson, 69 in Greensburg. It's muggy in Nineveh right now, and still 71 in Lafayette. Wind speeds out of the east-southeast, but they're going to shift a little bit more out of the south during the day tomorrow, really allowing a quick warm-up. And it is going to stay mild tonight. Temperatures only fall into the low to mid-60s overnight, and that is about 10 degrees above average. 61 will be the low in Kokomo, 59 in Noblesville. We'll get down to 60 degrees in Cumberland and 63 in Mooresville. Temperatures fall to 62 in B-Town and 60 in Seymour. Now, during the day tomorrow, we will see more clouds moving in. A cold front is poised to move in tomorrow evening. So as it does, we will see a chance of a few scattered showers early tomorrow evening. But before then, we are going to see a pretty hot day. If you're heading to the Colts game tomorrow, really mild weather as you're heading in. It's going to be hot in the afternoon, still up in the air whether or not they'll keep that roof open or not. And then as we head Sunday night into Monday, we will start to see some scattered showers overnight into early Monday, and then better chances of rain by Monday afternoon. And we certainly could use the rain. We've only had a 1/10 of an inch of rain for the whole month of September. 87 will be the high tomorrow afternoon, with rain chances moving in Sunday night into early Monday. Another chance of rain Monday afternoon into Monday evening, and then again on Tuesday, a chance of rain. We heat up for the final week of summer, definitely not giving up without a fight. Rich?